If you're looking to quickly generate discount offer ads with AdCreative AI, you're in the right place. This video will show you exactly how to use this powerful tool to create eye-catching, high-converting ads that can boost your marketing campaigns. You'll learn how to set up discount offer ads step by step and get a quick overview of the software, so stick around until the end for some exclusive bonuses. Before we dive in, I want to let you know that you can use AdCreative AI for completely free through the first link in the description below, along with exclusive bonuses for signing up. Now, let's get into it. AdCreative AI is a tool that leverages artificial intelligence to generate creative assets like ads and landing pages. It's designed to streamline your marketing efforts by helping you quickly generate high-quality ads without needing a design team or advanced skills. And today, we're focusing on generating discount offer ads, which are perfect for attracting customers looking for savings. To get started, log into your AdCreative AI dashboard. Once you're in, the first thing you'll want to do is select the type of campaign you're creating. In this case, discount offer ads. The platform's intuitive interface will guide you through a simple setup process, starting with inputting details about your product or service. Once you've filled in your product details, AdCreative AI uses its powerful AI algorithms to analyze your input and generate multiple ad variations. These ads are designed to engage and convert, with messaging tailored to emphasize the discount offer you're promoting. The AI optimizes the visuals and text to grab attention, ensuring your offer stands out in the crowded digital space. Now, you might be wondering about the customization options. With AdCreative AI, you have control over the look and feel of your ads. You can adjust the colors, fonts, and messaging to make sure the ad aligns with your brand and campaign goals. Plus, you can test different versions to see which ones perform the best, making sure you're maximizing your ad's potential. What's really powerful here is how quickly AdCreative AI can generate high-quality creatives, saving you valuable time. Rather than spending hours brainstorming at copy or creating designs from scratch, you get ready-to-go options that are optimized for performance. And you don't need to be a marketing expert to understand how to use it. AdCreative AI does the heavy lifting for you. Another key feature of AdCreative AI is its ability to integrate with popular ad platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads. Once your discount offer ads are ready, you can export them directly to your campaigns. This seamless integration ensures that you can get your ads running quickly without any hassle. For those of you new to digital marketing, you'll appreciate how AdCreative AI takes the guesswork out of ad creation. The AI continuously learns and improves, so the more you use it, the better it gets at delivering results. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, this tool gives you the ability to create professional ads in minutes. And don't forget, if you stick around until the end, I'll share how you can access an exclusive extended free trial of AdCreative AI through the link below. This trial gives you more time to explore the software and see the impact it can have on your marketing campaigns. So, if you're looking to create discount offer ads quickly and effectively, AdCreative AI is the tool you need. With its AI-powered ad creation, seamless integration with ad platforms, and easy-to-use interface, it's the perfect solution for anyone looking to boost their digital marketing game. Make sure to check out the link in the description for your free trial and exclusive bonuses.